First, we will select an image or set of images in the thumbnail viewing gallery, then click the dynamic saving icon. This will bring up the dynamic saving UI. We will want to provide a master name. In this case, we will use shoe, then specify how the set of images will be named. We can either use sequential naming, which will numerically name the images. For example, in the 3 images I imported, -1, -2, -3, or we can choose to custom name and define each image independently. In this case, we imported in a side, bottom, and top view of the shoe, and we will define this accordingly. Next, we will want to define our individual save types. It is in this area we can choose to output these images multiple different times. Let's first provide a prefix name for this individual save type. This save type will be used for the web, so we will name it accordingly. Next, we will select a local or network output folder, then choose to resize if required. For my website, I require images at 500 pixels wide for the product page. Last, we will choose to automatically apply a previously set editing profile to give these images a pure white background. Also, we will directly transfer these images to an FTP site, and last, choose to apply a watermark to these images with our own custom logo. We are ready to move on to setting our next individual save type. We do so by clicking the plus icon. This will be the same workflow as we have just walked through. However, we will be setting different saving parameters, as this image we would like to save at a high resolution and at 2000 pixels wide for our print catalog in TIFF format, and also wish to apply the editing profile. Next, we will choose to save this set of images as thumbnails for our website at 150 pixels wide. We will also apply an editing profile and transfer these images directly to our FTP site so that they can be placed directly onto our website. And last, we will save the master web image to the product images master folder on my desktop at 1200 pixels wide, and apply an editing profile and choose to transfer these directly to our FTP site. After we have created our dynamic save profile, we can go ahead and save this so that it can be used every single time. Users have the ability to save multiple different dynamic save profiles in the software. When we are ready to save, we simply hit the Save button, and the set of images will be processed and output to their respective folders in FTP. Let's take a look at the results. Here, we will look at the images we saved for print. As you can see, high quality results with pure white backgrounds. In addition, the naming defined as the prefix, suffix, then customized sequential naming. That is, bottom, side, and top. All these images have also been output to TIFF format and resized to 1200 pixels wide at 300 dpi resolution. Next, let us take a look at our thumbnails. Once again, all resized to 150 pixels wide and defined for web resolution. Next, our 500 pixel wide web images in the product images 500W folder. You will see the watermark has instantly been applied to these based on the watermark profile I'd previously set. Next, we will take a look at the master web product images. These are at 1200 pixels wide and 72 dpi web resolution, once again with the editing profile set. Last, let's take a look at our FTP site. You will see the individual image types that I had specified to be saved to my FTP site are already uploaded. Shutterstream Dynamic Save tool is a sure way to increase your in-house product photography efficiencies while saving time and money.